Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about detoxification. So, detoxification is also known as a metabolism of xenobiotics. Metabolism of xenobiotics. Metabolism of xenobiotics is or detoxification. So, what is the detoxification? Detoxification refers to the series of biochemical reactions occurs in the body. It is a series of biochemical chemical reactions in the body, a series of biochemical reactions in the body. Which type of reactions in the body to convert toxic to non-toxic or less toxic is known as detoxification. So what is the detoxification? Detoxification is also known as a xenobiotics. Xenobiotics is defined as it is a series of biochemical reactions in the body to convert the toxic compounds to non-toxic or less toxic compounds is known as a detoxification. So the detoxification occurred. Where is the site of detoxification? What is the site? The site of detoxification mostly occurred in the liver. 90% detoxification reactions are occurred in the only liver. Then 10% is a kidney, heart and lungs. Kidney, heart, lungs. So 10%. So 90% mostly occurred in the which organ? Liver. So the next one, the mechanism action of detoxification. What is the mechanism action of detoxification? So what is the mechanism of action? The detoxification or xenobiotics, it is showing the two types of reactions. It shows the two types of reactions. What is the two types of reactions? Phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 and phase 2 reactions. Phase 1 and phase 2 reactions are occurred in the xenobiotics. So first one, the phase 1 reaction. So what is the phase 1 reactions? Phase 1 reactions of xenobiotics. The phase 1 reactions of xenobiotics is the first one is the oxidation, reduction, and hydrolysis. These three is known as a detoxification phase 1 reaction. So what is the phase 2 reactions? Phase 2 reaction. The phase 2 reactions is a conjugation reactions. So the xenobiotics are showing the phase 1 and phase 2 reaction. Phase 1 is the oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and phase 2 is the conjugation reaction. So what is the what is the oxidation? So addition of O2 molecule or elimination of hydrogen molecules is known as a oxidation. Examples is the alcohols. Which type of reactions? For example, CH3COOH. This is the CH3OH. This is called as a menthol. Is converts to HCOOH. This is called as a formic acid. Here how many carbons? 1 carbon. Here also 1 carbon. And here how many hydrogens? 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogens. But here 1, 2, only 2 hydrogens. Elimination of 2 hydrogen molecules. And here how many oxygen molecule? 1. But here 2 oxygen molecules. So addition of O2, elimination of hydrogen is known as a oxidation. Examples is a alcohol. And the next one reaction, oxidation is finished. The next one reduction. Reduction means exactly quite opposite definition of oxidation. So addition of H2 molecules and elimination of O2 molecules is known as a reduction. So the reduction reactions, what is the examples of the reduction reaction? So picric acid is converted to picric acid is converts to picramic acid. Picric acid is converts to picramic acid. So C6H2OH NO2 taken twice 3. This is called as a picric acid. Is converts to picramic acid. C6H2, same C6H2 and up to OH is same. NO2 taken twice 2, here 3 but here 2, and NH2. Here one more addition of NH2 molecules is here. Hydrogen molecules is addition, and addition of hydrogen molecule or elimination of O2 molecule is known as reduction. Picric acid is converts to picramic acid. Picramic acid. So this is called as a reduction reactions. The next one, simple reaction. One more example. This is the example number 1 and example number 2. It is a nitrobenzene C6H5NO2. It converts to nitrobenzene converts to aminobenzene C6H5NH2. Oxygen molecules is eliminated. Addition of hydrogen molecules is known as reduction. This is called as example for the second example for the reduction reaction. Nitrobenzene converts to aminobenzene. Nitrobenzene converts to aminobenzene. So the next one, hydrolysis. So what is the hydrolysis? The hydrolysis means the bonds such as a ester and glycoside bonds or any other bonds are addition of H2O molecules. Hydrolysis means addition of H2O molecules. That's one is the splitting into H2O is the splitting into H plus OH minus. So addition of H2O molecule to the reaction, that one is the splitting into H plus and OH minus. So it's known as a hydrolysis. The hydrolysis examples, best example is aspirin converts to salicylic acid. Aspirin converts to salicylic acid. So what is the aspirin structure? This is called as a aspirin structure. OCOCH3 aspirin. Aspirin converts to, by addition of hydrogen molecule H2O, converts to salicylic acid. Same COOH is here. Here OH molecules. This is called a salicylic acid and as well as a acetic acid. Acetic acid and a salicylic acid. So this is about a detoxification reaction. So in here, this detoxification is the first one reaction is a phase 1 reaction. First one is the oxidation, second one is the reduction, and third one is the hydrolysis reactions, and each and reactions having the 1 or 2 examples. So the next one we discussing about phase 2 reactions. So what is the phase 2 reactions? The phase 2 reaction is the conjugation reactions. Phase 2 is known as a conjugation. So several xenobiotics undergo into the detoxification by the conjugation to produce the less compounds. So by the conjugation reaction, it produce the less toxic compounds. From more toxic compounds. From more toxic compounds is known as the conjugation reaction. What is the conjugation reaction? The conjugation reactions is to produce the less toxic compounds from the more toxic compounds is known as is known as conjugation reaction. So these are it one is a it is a mainly occurred in the body, mainly occurred in the living body. Simple word, mainly occurred in the living body. It produces in the living body. So what is the examples of the conjugation reaction? The conjugation reaction is the best example is phenol is converts to phenyl gluconide. Phenol is converts to, this is called as a phenol structure. It is the react with the conjugation agent. Conjugation is the UDP, uridine diphosphate glucuronic acid. Glucuronic acid. It's a converts to and UDP is produces. This is called as a phenyl glucuronide. So this is examples for the phase 1, phase 2 reaction conjugation. So one more example is the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with the UDP glucuronic acid. It produces the benzyl glucuronide. Benzyl glucuronide plus UDP. Benzyl glucuronide and EDP. This is the second example. This is the first one example. This is about phase 2 reaction. Phase 1, phase 2 reactions are occurred in the detoxification. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.